The manufacturing and distribution industry is evolving fast. As we enter 2025, businesses face new challenges and big opportunities. From supply chain disruptions and rising costs to digital transformation and workforce shortages, industry leaders must adapt to stay competitive. Building resilient supply networks is key. Companies are diversifying suppliers, reshoring production, and leveraging AI and blockchain for better visibility. The industry's digital transformation is well underway. Over 90% of mid-sized manufacturers are investing in automation and AI to streamline operations and boost efficiency. But technology alone isn't enough. The talent gap is growing, with nearly 2 million manufacturing jobs at risk of going unfilled. Upskilling and competitive benefits are more critical than ever. Lastly, manufacturers need to prioritize sustainability. New regulations and consumer demand are pushing companies to track emissions, reduce waste, and implement ESG strategies. The future of manufacturing is being built today. Is your business ready to navigate the change? Connect with CBiz and let our experts help you stay ahead.